A lot of the current workforce are older and they are looking to retire, and you have to bring through that new talent where they know there's going to be a long-term future. And if the policy is brought in where there's going to be no gas boilers beyond a certain date, if it's going to be 2035, really we need to be training up people now because we're only 10 years out from there. And I think that the younger people are going to be a really essential part of that, and helping them to get the right training when they leave school, and getting the gas boiler manufacturers to be a bit more diverse in what they offer heat pump training as well as gas boiler training.